Hey everybody, it's Walter here with Coastal Caterers. In this video, I'm going to show you why your propane hose might be leaking at the connector. So if your hose is leaking at the connector, which is actually called an adapter, it's an LCC adapter. If it's leaking there, it probably means that it's just not tight. It needs to be tightened up. So just do that again. So the first thing you want to do is just go ahead and take the LCC adapter off, put it back on, hand tight, see if that stops the leak. That's the first thing you need to try. So the next thing you want to check out is right here inside of the shutoff valve is a gasket or a seal that's going to look like this. Just put your finger in there, push that, just make sure that there's a proper seal in there. Hook up again, connect your adapter, see if that stops your leak. If that's not it, then there's one more thing we can try. Inside of the main shutoff valve is another valve called the safety valve, and that has to be open for the propane to start flowing. But sometimes what could happen is inside of your LCC adapter, this part is called the plunger, and you might have your adapter connected just enough to barely open the safety valve, and you're not quite all the way tight on your adapter, and that's letting a little bit of propane get out that way. So try that. Just make sure that everything's good and tight. The plunger's all the way into the safety valve, and everything's good and tight. Try that. We recommend that. So just try those things that I suggested, and that should get you straightened out. If not, then just go ahead and take the tank back, exchange it for a new one, just be safe about it. So once again, this is Walter with Coastal Caterers. Thanks for watching, and as always, have a great day.